Hello everyone, this is Ritika and today we're gonna have a look into the HubSpot that how we can directly schedule a meeting with anyone from the HubSpot. So the only thing we can go into the sales module. Just click on here and here you can see a meeting scheduler. You can also bookmark it if you feel this is very important for you. You can always bookmark it and you need to click on meeting scheduler. Let's hop into it. And when you go into the meetings, you can see a page like this where you can see make money from your meetings. Obviously, you can make money from your meetings. You can always add a payment link to scheduling page so customer can pay after they choose a time. Let me close it. And then you can also see built on HubSpot. You can also remove the HubSpot logo from your booking page and everywhere else, but this is only for the premium, like this is a premium feature, so you can get it when you get an upgrade version of HubSpot. And then you can see you can always connect your calendar to the HubSpot in case you book any meeting or scheduling a meeting and you want to see what time you will be available or what time someone will be available. So you can just directly connect your calendar to here and you can always see what time you will be available and what's the schedule you will be having to book a meeting. And then from here you can see all the list for the meetings you will be having. You can always filter it out. You can change these things. You can always have more filters. And from here you can edit the meeting name. You can always copy the link. And here you can see the type of the meeting, whether it will be a one-on-one or it will be a group meeting. Then you can see the duration, you can see the views. Like this section is all about the meeting informations. Whatever the meetings you will be having, maybe in the past or maybe they will be for upcoming, you can always see it here. And then if you want to schedule a meeting, you can always go into, you can see a button here which says create scheduling page. Just click into here and then it will ask you to choose a scheduling page type, whether it will be a one-on-one, whether you will be connecting with a group or it will be a round robin. I will go with one-on-one and then it will ask you for an internal name. Okay, you have used your one free booking page. Oh, okay. So, I think I cannot book a meeting, but this is the way you can do. You can just book, you can just click on one-on-one and you can put your internal names. You can put the organizer, like if you will be the one organizing or if you want to organize it for someone else, you can always just type it, choose whoever is organizing the meeting. You can always add event title, whether like if it's about a proposal, if it's about a negotiation, you can always put it here. You can just put it the location. If you want to ignore something, you can always ignore it. And here you can put a brief and agenda for the meeting you are scheduling. And then you can just click, you can schedule, you can just put out all the timings. And from here, you can just easily schedule your meeting. I hope that works.